Hi, I'm Dora Michelle and this is Makeup or Breakup Vlog, and today I got a pretty cute extra package here. If you haven't figured out the packaging and where it's from, I will tell you. It's from Hank and Henry. Now, Hank and Henry is a makeup company. I believe I've featured them here at least once or twice, and I'll post those videos somewhere here or at the end of this video. And I found out recently that they have an actual app. Now, I've tried at least one of their eyeshadows, and I remember finding it very buttery. I was impressed with it. And so it was enough to make me be curious about what else they have. So what they did was come out with these 3 boxes that had a theme, a festive theme. One was called Guac, but they were in 3 different price tiers. I forgot what the first one was called, but I'll post the name here. Then the second, I think, tier was Guac. And then the third one, the top one, was called Cabo. So I'm looking here right now, and I'm like, when the box came on, I'm so excited. I couldn't wait to open it up. Yeah, this is the Cabo box. So I was curious because it didn't say what was actually in there, but I just wanted to just show you what the box looks like. Very festive. Supposedly, they had a contest going on, I think, that if you bought a certain box, or that it was sort of like a golden ticket, that whoever got the ticket, I think, would be actually going to Cabo. I'm gonna pull this bad boy out. It looks like a little book, right? It's that cute owl. It reads that it has opulent highlighter and something called Desire as the blush. Already loving it. This is raised. This feels so nice. Oh, but yeah, that's raised. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at, oh, that blush is everything. And this is a highlighter? Why do I feel like this could also be utilized as a contour? But that is rich, that is gorgeous, and oh, it feels so nice and smooth. The highlighter feels a bit more buttery than this side, but they're both smooth. That's the colors there. I'm just gonna put them right there. Oh, hello. Yep, something definitely for the summer. Oh my God, this is so pretty. So pretty, look at that. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Just beautiful. See what's next in this. Ooh, it's like Christmas in here. Okay. Box is something called Shake With It from Hank and Henry, and I'm like, what is this? It's a liquid eyeliner. This is a great way to be introduced to the brand. I have to say, if you get the particular Cabo box, it seems so far that it would be a nice introduction. It just popped in my head for people who maybe never tried Hank and Henry, or they need a refresh as far as their makeup game. I don't know, this might be it. And if their eyeliner is anything like their eyeshadows, so let's see what it looks like. This is Blickity brown. To keep it. There's the point right there. Very nice. And I'm just gonna, oh, it goes on very gently. Very gently. It almost matches this. I'm loving that. Okay, on to the next thing. I'm impressed so far. Oh my gosh, really? Brushes. Ooh, this is their LUCI or LUCI 2.0. This feels like a powder foundation brush maybe. And then this is the Meg. That looks like a fluffy brush right there to apply to the eyes. It's pretty fluffy, like that. And then the other one is, it's also a LUCI. Or maybe that's the brand name. But that one's interesting. I wonder what that one does. I'm sure it's for the eyes as well. Okay. The next thing I see here is a little, oh, it's a little sponge around the eye area. So they, or you're gonna get a little corner like here in order to either put on a highlighter or add a little powder or concealer. This is adorbs. This is so cute. Wonder how long these little things last. The next thing I see, oh my goodness, is a blush set. There we go. I was eyeing their blush set and I said, well, you know, and I got distracted, but you know what? This is gorgeous. This is absolutely a dream. Look at that. Is that beautiful or is that beautiful? Okay, so it's sort of like a reddish orange over here, and this is a pink for sure. And then this feels like a neon pink. And then this feels like a burnt orange. See what I mean? That's a burnt orange. All right, so let's try these. I'm like, oh. And I just noticed that it has the name Hank and Henry stamped. I don't know if you can see that onto the blush powders on the bottom. Can you see that? I hope so. These look so rich and so interesting. Okay, so 1, 2, oh my gosh, 3. Okay, a little chalky on 3, but you see those colors? And they are, the top one is Shenanigans, the second one is So Scarlet, the next one is Rhapsody, and finally Trance is on the bottom. Next thing I have here, it looks like a palette, and it's called, Spring Fling. Okay, and it mentions right off the bat here, in pretty easy to read, you know, pretty simple, easy to read lettering. First 2 ingredients out the back are talc and mica. Interesting. Mineral oil, titanium dioxide is 3rd, mineral oil is 4th. So there is a palmitate, so that means there's a coconut derivative in here. Squalene, magnesium, stearate, okay, ultramarine blue. Let me just put that there so you can see for your own education. And there is the bunny right down here. All right, let's see how this looks. It is raised. Oh, this is pretty. Okay. I think I'm gonna review that in a later video. There's a lot in here so far. I'm very impressed. Can't wait, gotta keep going. Okay, the next thing I have here is, ooh, what is this? This looks like a lipstick. Cute packaging, and you see the name of the company right in there. Do you see it? Yeah, all right. So this is called SEXT, as in S-E-X-T. Okay, let's see what this is about. Oh, look at this packaging. It's gorgeous. What? And here's the Hank and Henry logo right there. You see that? Yeah. And it feels luxurious. This has texture to it. Oh my gosh. How do you open this? Oh, wait. Okay, let's try that again, shall we? Just for fun. Okay, and then this pulls out. Wow, okay. trying to get a scent. I don't really. Oh. This is so sparkly good. Look at that. This, I don't even know if this camera does it justice, to be honest, but is that gorgeous? Or is that gorgeous? I'm trying to make sure it focuses, but wow. This is beautiful. This is a lipstick? Holy mackerel. Okay, I'll leave that out a little bit so you can see. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, so let's just, it has some sparkle, but it's like a nude. There is a bit of sparkle, but not a lot. That is so interesting. It's very, it goes on super creamy. And then I just, this is so cute. I mean, it's not even like cute. It's like very adult. Like I would definitely throw this in my bag and keep going. Beautiful. It's just, wow. Like that kind of presentation kind of took my breath away a little. Cherry mattes. What? Keep a little cherry up there. Isn't that cute? Okay. And this is the the color they have it. Betty Rizzo. And I'm wondering, it's another like chocolate. I think we're having a chocolate moment. I really think we are. I'm curious to know what this is under the cherry matte. And it also has the bunny on there, but I'm just, here's the coloring. Is this a lipstick or is this a liquid contour? Let me just, it has like a smoked glass feature, but this isn't, this is plastic. The logo on here, the lovely owl logo. It smells kind of chemical. Okay, so with this is a oversized applicator, a doe applicator. I'm not sure if this is lip or if this is a contour, so I will definitely have to look that up. But I can see, no, this is too deep for me to be a concealer, but it's gorgeous. I will look that up and find out. Oh, and the box is still not done. What? And there's this. Is that cute or what? It's a mirror. Something that I keep telling myself, oh gosh, I need to remember to have a mirror nearby. And Hank and Henry heard my prayers. That is so cute. Please leave a comment below as to whether or not you decided to get one of the 3 box options that Hank and Henry had. And let me know what you thought out of this box that seems worthy of a second look. Let me know again in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest makeup adventure, and I hope to see you on my next one. Stay safe, take care, bye.